I am so bored today.
There is nothing to do in this house. The kitchen is very quiet.
I do not want to watch television.
It is raining outside. I must stay indoors.
Reading feels too difficult right now. I need a new hobby. Oh, maybe there is something in here. This box is very dusty. What is inside this package? Woo! Look at the bright colors.
The paper is so smooth.
These are very sharp. Oh. I will need some glue for my craft. Everything is so sparkly. Now I can see better. Where? I need 10 centimeters. I am happy. Now, time for a small break. The tea is very hot. My hands are clean now. Wow. This felt is very fuzzy. The glue is very sticky. Ah. I like this shade of green. These beads are very small. The sun is coming out. The afternoon is ending soon. I made an origami bird. This apple is very crunchy. Time is passing quickly. The fire is very warm. Whew. I must keep my desk tidy. Today was a good day. My bed is so inviting. I am very sleepy now. Good night, house. The moon is round and bright tonight.
Sara is resting under the warm covers. The world is very quiet at night. Her mind is resting while she sleeps. A new morning is starting for Sara.
Today is a brand new day. I love the morning routine. I look ready for work. Oh, well, I have many tasks today. The internet is very fast. I will write my ideas here. This bread is very fresh. The tomato is very juicy. Lunch is my favorite meal. I need some fresh air. The garden is so green. Look at the pretty insect. The bee is busy today. Nature is very peaceful. It is good to be home. This fruit is very sweet. I will read for a while. Why? This story is very exciting. Learn heavily exciting. Reading is a great skill. It is getting late. The soup smells delicious. This meal is very filling. I must finish the chores. Ooh. The house is full. The house is very safe. I am through, bro. I am very comfortable now. Time to go to sleep. Good night, world. Hobbies make us happy. Goodbye. Goodbye.